Drink beer, it's good for you.
Hello and welcome to the video. In this video we'll be looking at Oxebar kegs, which offer a budget yet very practical and protective solution for your beer storage and serving. Not only are these great for your own use, but due to their low cost they're ideal for sharing beer with friends and family. So let's get to it. Here is some close-up video of an Oxebar keg from bottom to top. Your first impression might be that this is made from PET plastic, but you would only be half right, as within the polymer blending of these kegs construction, nylon has been added, which seriously bumps up their protection by 300% to outside oxygen and CO2 loss. This means that these are a serious contender for your beer for use outside of just being used for party kegs. Kegland, the manufacturer, have stated that they recommend up to 6 months worth of beer storage, which is certainly a game changer for a keg at this price point for sure. The Oxebar keg I am showing you in this video is the first to release at 8 litres and has the dimensions as shown on screen now. On the right hand side of the screen I'm also sharing the standard measurements of 19 litre or 5 US liquid gallons corny kegs for size comparison. So you can now see that this 8 litre Oxebar keg version will fit nicely in the space where a regular corny keg would sit, and also give you some extra room too. Naturally, due to this size and volume, these are still ideal as party kegs, but due to how protective these are, they're also ideal as kegs as part of a kegerator setup or within the regular fridge, as they can be used to serve from in both vertical and horizontal orientations due to their overall design. By standard, and of course this may vary depending on where you buy these, the keg itself is sold as you see here, so essentially you have this included handy handle along with a cap. These caps are PCO38, which is the standard cap size used in the drinks industry worldwide, so if you have any other products that will fit this cap size then they could also prove useful with these Oxebar kegs. The tapping head shown earlier is a separate product and is naturally suited to fit any standard bottle like those for soft drinks or soda, but it is a natural partner for the Oxebar kegs, so I would not be surprised if some homebrew stores sell them bundled together as one purchase. Here are the parts supplied for the tapping head so you can see what is involved and that it can all be broken down for cleaning. Firstly, we have the main body here with 3 ports as you would expect. We then screw in a ball lock on each side to cover CO2 in and beer out. In the middle here we screw on the supplied pressure relief valve. By standard this is supplied with a red PRV, which is rated to 2.5 bar or 35 psi, but these kegs are actually rated for up to 4 bars or 58 psi. One very nice feature is that the PRV within this screw-on pod is actually replaceable, so you could change this up to something higher or lower should you wish. Certainly it is very nice to have this level of flexibility for the price point. Also included is this serving line and filter. The filter is weighted so that it will always sit in a position where your beer will still flow. And now lastly, this included elbow piece is used to connect the serving line to the ball lock, which I found to be very easy to attach. Here is a close-up look at how this works and looks. It has to be said that you get a nice tight fit with this serving line and elbow piece to your ball lock connector due to the materials used for each. On the other end of your beer line goes the filter. The line fits in nice and snug into the hole in the top of the filter, once again easy to set up but secure. I will now sum up my thoughts. Once again, Kegland have delivered a very useful product upgrade that has had much thought in its design to be easy to use, cost effective, but at a good level of quality along with the extra time that your beer can sit within such a keg. Not only is this a game changer, but as homebrewers I guess that most of us would have the use for such a product, and because they are very well priced they are going to be hard to resist for many no matter what their intended use will be. Further good news is that 8 litres is simply the first Oxebar keg size. The next size coming in this new range of Oxebar kegs will be 4 litres. Do let myself and Kegland know in the comment section of this video which other sizes would interest you too. It has to be said that many Kegland products have been made based on customer feedback and requests, so give it a go. I do hope that you found this video useful, informative and interesting. If so, why not consider liking and subscribing? For further support you can join the channel's Facebook group, and if you would like to support the channel then check out the channel's merchandise store, as all profits go back into the channel. Until next time, happy brewing!